Going to make a Venn diagram discussion about ACPHR and CHRA after I took both of the examinations and have them as my designation. Alright? Hello guys! Good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Ayan, kung anong oras naman ito napapanood ng video na ito. So, it has been a long time nung hindi ako nag-video and nag-upload sa aking YouTube channel dito. And for this content, kagaya nabasa sa title, we're going to compare Certified Human Resource Associate Examination or CHRA exam and the ACPHR or Associate Certified Practitioner in Human Resources Certification. I recently picked up actually my ACPHR certification sa LBC Lilac Marikina. So ito siya. Ayan. Pangalan sa akin. The reason why, bakit ko siya pinick up is because dineliver siya dito ng ilang beses pero hindi ko nasasagot yung tawag is because nasa work ako or may naka-silent yung phone ko. Kaya I wasn't able to answer the calls. And so, ayan, kung kukuha kayo ng certification na ito, tabayanan nyo yung delivery schedule as well as yung mga calls ninyo, ganyan. Ayan, pag bukas natin yung LBC na lagayan, okay, ito siya. Ganito. So, nakita ko na ito kanina. Kaya, kasi nakita ko na siya kanina. So, ito yung itsura niya. Pag open natin ito, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ang nakalagay is International HR Institute. And then we're going to open this at ang laman niya ay ayan. Right? Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ganyan siya. And then this one yung parang license na card. So actually, ang laman nung talaga nito is ito lang. Ang nakalagay dito, CPHR International Management Academy and Professional Learning Board of International HR Institute certifies that my name, Bonner Campos, completed the professional requirements, including passing the examination prescribed for designation, and is hereby conferred as Associate Certified Practitioner in Human Resources or ACPHR. So, ACPHR examination is conducted in accordance with CPHR International's Greenhorn Qualification Scheme governed by International HR Institute. So, lifetime validity. Alright, so issued on February 13, 2025. So, ito yung pinaka-certificate. Kaya siyang ganito ba? This one. Ayan. So, pagbukas natin ito, ang laman nito ay parang brochure, flyer ng CPHR. Ayan, meron sila mga program outline, kung ano yung mga pwede pa natin certifications na makuha from CPHR International. Alright, so laman din ito, or ng envelope na ito, laman din ito is ito. Ayan, nilagay ko na siya dito para, since kasha naman siya, nilagay ko na siya. Ganyan ang itsura. Ang nakalagay dito is, congratulations on achieving the Associate Certified Practitioner in Human Resources, ACPHR credential, and joining thousands of practitioners certified by CPHR International. Your ACPHR certification signifies your excellence and proficiency in HR, marking a crucial milestone in your career journey. It paves the way for pursuing advanced HR certifications, empowering you to excel in the dynamic field of human resources. So, sabi pa dito, the certification provides you with a competitive advantage when applying for HR roles, internships, and other HR-related opportunities. So once again, congratulations on reaching this significant milestone in your professional career. We look forward to seeing your continued success and growth as a leader in human resources. Ayan. From CPHR International. So, ito yung parang license niya na PRC. Parang PRC license na di ko maintindihan. Okay. Nalukot na tuloy yung content. So, ayan, ganyan siya. Hindi know ba? Basta ganyan siya. I thank the Lord again for paving the way for me to achieve whatever I want to achieve. Or there were times that He is saying no, there were times that He is saying yes, and part of those yeses ay ito. Okay, so parang 2025 ngayon. So 2023, I took the CHRA examination. If nakita nyo yun sa aking in my past videos, yan, naka-upload naman yan dyan sa aking channel, and you can check on that. Pwede kong ilagay yung link sa description below. Now, let's talk about the differences, no? We're going to make a Venn diagram discussion about ACPHR and CHRA after I took both of the examinations and have them as my designation. Alright? So let's start kung ano ba yung definition or saan ba sila kilala. Si CPHR at saka si CHRA based on my own experience and based on my knowledge. Ayun. Si CHRA, no, pagdating sa CHRA, more on focusing sa training and development, yung HR theories, recruitment and selection, employee management, performance management, personal planning, succession planning, employee engagement, talent management, so on and so forth, as well as yung ating labor code, the labor code ng Pilipinas, ayan, as well as yung DOLE handbook, no? Ito nagpo-focus si CHRA. On the other hand, yung si ACPHR naman focuses more on the global view point of how to be an effective and efficient HR practitioner. Meron siyang labor law but konti lang, more on international knowledge siya, or it will test your international knowledge and understanding towards the human resources. Alright, so ganun siya, no? So, kung titignan natin yung leveling nila, si CHRA is more on national level dito sa Pilipinas, no? Kasi nandun talaga yung labor code. Kumbaga 50-50 yan eh. Those are 200 items, questions, no? Examination. So, 100 for HR theories and then 100 questions for labor-related questions. So, ayun siya. Meanwhile, si ACPHR is on the international level from the provider of the institution, no? Galing siya sa International HR Institute. Yan. Kaya yung tinetest dito is your international knowledge when it comes to HR. So, ganun siya. Ang kaibahan din, no, pagdating naman sa price, no, kung gusto nyo mag-avail or gusto nyo mag-test, no, ng CHRA, you need to pay 1,700 pesos. On the other hand, if you're going to get an examination for ACPHR, you need to pay 1,500 pesos. So, mas mura siya ng 200 pesos si ACPHR. Pagdating sa examination, they are both conducted online or meron din silang on-site. So, pwede tayong mamili kung saan natin gusto. On my end, ayan, pinili ko na mag-ano ng online. Okay? Kasi para less hassle, din ako babiyahe since may studies ako before and wala din naman ang pamasahe if ever going to somewhere ganito ganyan, di kaya sa CHRA, online siya. Ang nangyari nun is, kung mapapanood yung video ko, nailalagay ko yung link sa ibaba, no? Nag-test ako nun using a desktop and then merong proctoring, no? Using my mobile phone wherein binabantayan nila kung may ino-open ba akong site, meron ba akong binabasang reviewer, may coding ba ako sa tabi ko, and the like. Alright, so ganun siya. So, aside dun sa sensitive yung kanilang portal, no? May papasukan kang website kung saan doon kayo mag-e-exam. Meron pa proctoring. Now, on the other hand, we have ACPHR examination. So, pwede rin tong online, pwede rin hindi. Dahil nag-work na nga ako, ayan, February 8 ko siya tinake, no? This year. And then, tinake ko siya online through Greenhorn website. Kagaya nung nabasa ko kanina sa certification ni ACPHR. Si Greenhorn naman, kung ikukumpara natin dun sa website na ginagamit ng CHRA, mas sensitive to si Greenhorn, yung gamit ng ACPHR or CPHR, International Institute. May pagkakataon na mag-click lang yung mata mo, mawala lang yung picture mo doon. So, medyo mahirap, bumaback to zero ka. And there were times na pwedeng mangyari yung pag naka-multiple ka ng violations kay Greenhorn, ayan, so itatanggalin ka niya doon sa portal. Magbaback to zero ka talaga. Alright, so ganun yung pwedeng mangyari. So dapat be careful, no, sa pagtitake ng ECPHR through Greenhorn. So ganun yung isa sa mga advices na pwede kong maibigay sa inyo. CHRA designation has a lifetime validity as well as ACPHR. So pareho silang may lifetime validity. So di natin kailangan i-renew, di natin kailangan kukuha ulit ng examination, attend classes, just to renew our designation. So lifetime designation na natin siya. So si CHRA, meron siyang ganito. Ayan. May pa-gold MM siya dyan na logo, and then pirma ng kanilang executive director. Meron din parang, ayan, wax paper. Ano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng papel itong ganito, pero may ganito siya na nakalagay yung percentage kung ilan yung napasa mo, kung anong batch ka ba ng-exam, and rank if you have a ranking. No? So, ayan. So, ito yung certified true copy ng certificate natin and the result ng CHRA exam. Dito kasi walang nakalagay kung ilang percentage, dito may nakalagay. So, ayun yung matatanggap nyo from Human Resource Educators Association of the Philippines. Now, si ACPHR naman, you're going to receive yan, a certificate, formal certificate. May QR code siya, not unlike si CHRA, wherein itong QR code na to, pwede itong i-verify ng mga employers na pag-a-applyan mo, yan, using the website of CPHR, International Management Academy. In addition to this, meron din silang, gaya na napakita ko kanina, ganito. Parang it's a welcome message and congratulatory message for those passers, new passers. No, nakalagay kasi dito is, welcome to CPHR International. Bahagi ka na ng kanilang organization and you're one of the certified practitioner in human resources worldwide. Alright? So in addition to that, the CPHR also provides this one. So kaya napakita ko kanina, meron siyang parang license, no, or ID, identification card. When it comes to requirements naman ni CHRA, ito yung mga requirements na dapat nating tandaan. Alright? So pagdating naman sa CPHR, ito naman siya. Ayan. So, ayan yung kaibahan nila when it comes to the requirements. When it comes naman sa paglabas ng results, no, pareho naman sila nag-i-email sa'yo kung ano yung magiging resulta or naging resulta ng examination mo, whether you passed or you did not pass. Magwe-wait ka siguro ng mga 7 to 10 days sa posting nila kung pasado ka ba or hindi sa kanilang mga social media pages. Yan, kung gusto nyo mag-exam, ayan, nilalagay ko din yung links ng dalawang social media accounts ng organizations na nagpo-provide ng ganitong klaseng certifications. Pagdating naman sa shipping, sa delivery ng physical certificate, sa CHRA, inabot siya ng 1 month, and then si CPHR or ACPHR, inabot lang siya ng 10 to 15 days, mga ganon. So, tumagal lang siya ng dahil hindi ko nga nakuha or na-receive. Pero, when it comes to the provinces, yung mga nasa province area, no, medyo matagal ang dyan. Kasi I know someone na pumasa rin siya sa ACPHR and then parang 1 month ata, 3 months, bago mo nila makuha yung certificate. So, yeah, nakadepende siya kasi I am located lang dito sa Antipolo City. Yan, so malapit lang siya. So, tabi lang namin ng Metro Manila, diba? Rizal and then Metro Manila. So, kami ang dulo ng Rizal. Kaya, mas malapit, mas alam ko nga yung ng Marikina. So, ganun siya. And what else? Pagdating naman dito sa dalawa na ito, no, it actually helped me, no, when it comes to my professional career, and it's a good investment to yourself as an HR, especially if you studied Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resources Management, so I highly recommend for you to invest on the certification. So gagastos ka lang naman ng 2,500, magagastos ka ng 3,200 if you want to get both of this, no? So di naman kailangan sabay, pero okay lang din namang sabay, pero pwede rin magkahiwalay kagaya ko. So 2023 yung isa ay 2025. Alright, so to more certifications in the future, I hope na magagamit natin, no, yung mga natutuhan din natin, kasi it will force you, no, to review yung mga dapat nating maalala when it comes to human resources, no, when it comes to the profession that we have chosen. Alright, so I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. So I hope sa mga kukuha nito ng examination na ito, whether CHRA or ACPHR, ay magtagumpay po kayo and makapasa. Kung hindi naman, I know I have friends na hindi nakapasa pero nung pangalawa nilang take, pumasa sila. Ganun lang, take lang tayo ng take hanggat kaya natin. And sa mga susunod na panahon, magkaroon tayo lahat ng designation. Lahat na tayo by designation. So wala namang masama doon. It's actually a wonderful thing. You know, it's a tremendous success on our part as HRs. I guess that's all for those who want to take this examinations. Do check the description box below on the links na kailangan yung papuntahan if you want to take these examinations. Alright? So with that, I won't take your time any longer. And again, I am Juan Herjamal Gapo, Certified Human Resource Associate, Associate Certified Practitioner in Human Resources. So I got this too na. Congratulations. Ayan.